So this exercise really works when I am feeling triggered in some way or I'm feeling emotions in the body and I want to feel peaceful. So we call it take 3 because we're going to do this breathing exercise 3 times and see if we can get to that peace and calm that we want. One thing that makes this exercise a little more effective is we're going to tap our fingertips together. All 5 fingertips, gently just tap them together, very lightly. Tapping harder does not get you the results faster. So light and gently, please. And also, if that tapping sensation is just uncomfortable for whatever reason on your fingertips, then simply lightly put your fingertips together and gently just rub up and down, side to side, something like that, okay? So here's what the exercise would look like if I was feeling anxious and I'm trying to stay on my juicing program and I'm just feeling anxious and I don't like it and I want to go eat. Maybe that's how I deal with when this emotion comes up for me. I go eat something that is not healthy for me. Or maybe I drink something. I have a milkshake or I have milk or I have juice from the store that's been pasteurized or maybe some alcohol with it or wine. This is an exercise to help us regain control and to return back to peace and calm. So what I would do first is we'd breathe in the peace. Breathe out the anxiety. Take deep breaths. Breathe in the calm. Breathe out the worry. Breathe in the peace. Breathe out the anxiety. We've done that now 3 times. Do you feel like you are back in control? Do you feel like you have control over that discomfort, that emotion, those emotions that were triggered by whatever, a situation, a thought, a memory, a comment somebody said? This is an exercise, a very effective exercise to help you get back in control and peace and calm. And you can say when you breathe in and the word that you want to breathe in the peace and you want to breathe out the anxiety. You can use the same words. I want to breathe in the peace and you do it for all 3 rounds. I want to breathe out the anxiety for all 3 rounds. You'll know what to do because you'll start with this example and then you can customize it. Okay. And the tapping and the breathing and the saying what you want, as soon as you start that tapping, it is a way to regain control of the amygdala, that back part of the brain, and you're going to feel better. Now, if you aren't feeling as promised and you did your 3 rounds, you can add this to it. We're going to do some tapping rounds. So remember we were tapping on the fingertips. Now we're going to tap on some points around the body. And here are the points. Inner eyebrow, just right here off your eyebrow, go up, all 4 fingers. Outer eye, just right here at the eye socket. You can feel the bone right there. And just back towards your ear. Looks like this, right? Underneath the eye, right below the eye socket, right here up on your cheek. Gently. And then there's a point here and a point here that you want to tap on. I like to do them both at the same time. So notice my 2 fingers above my lip are side by side. The 2 fingers down here below my lips are kind of one on top of the other. It's okay. Gently we tap. And then here's the collarbone. So you want to tap here. Okay. You also There's a point here below the armpits. It's like, it would be on the side strap if you're wearing a bra, right there. And you can either tap on it with your here, like left side, left hand, or you could do it cross like this. Just tap gently, okay? And then once you've done that, is you want to kind of lift up the boobs and you want to go right below them, tapping on the liver, but using both fingers, both hands to tap at that spot just below the breast. And then we're gonna tap on the wrists here. Yeah. And then we're going to go up here to the hairline and we're going to wiggle back and forth, back and forth. We're going to tap at that center line across the top of the head. Spread your fingers out. Here we go. All right, so we're doing this. And then also at the crown of the head, which is the center back part of the head, okay? So let's now do that exercise together. Mind you, we've done the 3 breathing exercises, or rounds, I guess, right? We breathed in the peace and out the anxiety while tapping on our fingertips. And we're still feeling a bit unsettled, still feeling anxious. So now we're going to add in tapping on the rounds, okay? So you're still going to breathe and you're going to say, breathe in. And then you say, breathe in the calm. Breathe out the anxiety. Breathe in the calm. Breathe out the anxiety. Collarbone. Breathe in the calm. On the sides, breathe out the anxiety. Lift up the breast and do the liver. Right below the breast, liver points. Breathe in the calm. And now your wrists. Breathe out the anxiety. Hairline. Breathe in the calm. Wiggle. Breathe out the anxiety. And on the crown, breathe in the calm. Breathe out the anxiety. Feel free to continue doing those rounds as many times as it takes for you to feel a sense of relief. It often happens right away. And you pay attention to what your body's telling you and do it as often as you need to, okay? Looking forward to seeing or to hearing from you and hearing how you like this exercise. Take 3.